Welcome to Module 5 of our Microsoft Word course for early childhood educators. In this module, we're going to explore how to insert and work with tables in your documents. Tables are a fantastic way to organize information, make data easy to read, and present it clearly for your learners. We'll be using the theme of foods that are good for you to make our examples relatable and engaging. Let's get started. Inserting a table. Tables help you organize information into rows and columns. They're especially useful for creating charts, meal plans, or lists in your classroom materials. For example, if you want to create a table listing healthy foods and their nutritional benefits, you might insert a table with 3 columns, one for the food item, one for the nutrient, and one for the health benefit, and 5 rows for different food items. Open your document where you want to insert a table. Click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on Table. A menu will appear where you can choose how many rows and columns you want in your table. Option 1. Hover over the grid to select the number of rows and columns, then click to insert the table. Option 2. Click on Insert Table to manually enter the number of rows and columns. Entering data into a table. Once your table is inserted, you can start entering data into each cell. Click on a cell and start typing to enter text. For example, in the first cell of the top row, type food item. In the next cell to the right, type nutrient. In the third cell, type health benefit. Press Tab to move to the next cell on the right or Enter to move to the next cell below. Now let's fill in the table with some examples. Row 2. Food item, apple. Nutrient, fiber. Health benefit, helps digestion. Row 3. Food item, spinach. Nutrient, iron. Health benefit, supports healthy blood. Row 4. Food item, carrots. Nutrient, vitamin A. Health benefit, promotes good vision. This is a great way to create an educational chart that helps learners learn about nutritious foods and their benefits. Formatting a table. To make your table more readable and visually appealing, you can format it in various ways. Click anywhere in the table to reveal the Table Design and Layout tabs on the ribbon. Use the Table Design tab to choose a table style from the gallery to change the color and borders of your table. Add or remove borders to customize how your table looks. Use the Layout tab to adjust cell size by changing the height and width of rows and columns to make your table neat and proportional. Merge cells if you want to combine multiple cells into one, which is useful for headers or titles. For instance, to create a title for your table, you can merge the top row cells. Highlight the top row cells. Go to the Layout tab. Click on Merge Cells. Type healthy foods and their benefits as your table title. Split cells if you need to divide one cell into multiple cells. Adjusting table size. You can resize your table or individual rows and columns to better fit your document. Hover over the edges of the table until you see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to resize the entire table or adjust individual rows and columns. Adding and deleting rows and columns. To make your table fit more or less information, you can add or delete rows and columns. Click in the row below where you want a new row, or in the column next to where you want a new column. Go to the Layout tab. Use the Insert Above, Insert Below, Insert Left, or Insert Right buttons to add rows or columns as needed. For instance, to add another healthy food item, click in the last row of your table. Click Insert Below to add a new row. Enter the new data such as food item, blueberries, nutrient, antioxidants, health benefit, supports immune system. Deleting rows and columns. Click anywhere in the row or column you want to delete. Go to the Layout tab. Click on Delete and choose to delete the row or column. Aligning text within cells. You can adjust the alignment of text within each cell to make your table look neater. Click on a cell or select multiple cells. Use the alignment options in the Layout tab to align next to the top, middle, or bottom of the cell, and to the left, center, or right. Centering the text can make your table look more organized and visually balanced. Adding table borders and shading. Enhance the appearance of your table by customizing borders and shading. Select the entire table or specific cells. Go to the Table Design tab. Click on Borders and choose the border style, color, and width. For example, you can use a bold green border to emphasize the table's focus on healthy foods. Shading. Select the cells you want to shade. Click on Shading in the Table Design tab. Choose a light color to fill the cells. For instance, shade the header row with a light green to differentiate it from the rest of the table. Sorting table data. Organize your table by sorting the data alphabetically or numerically. Click anywhere inside the table. Go to the Layout tab. Click on Sort in the data group. In the Sort dialog box, choose the column you want to sort. Select Ascending to sort from A to Z. Click OK. This feature is helpful if you want to arrange the foods alphabetically or prioritize them based on nutrient content. Using tables for meal planning. You can use tables to create simple meal plans highlighting healthy food options. Insert a table with 2 columns and 5 rows. In the first row, merge the 2 cells to create a header titled Daily Healthy Meal Plan. In the first column, list the meals of the day: breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. In the second column, fill in healthy food options for each meal. Breakfast, porridge with fresh fruit. Snack, carrot sticks with yogurt. Lunch, ham sandwich. Snack, apple slices. Dinner, chicken with steamed broccoli vegetables. Format the table to make it visually appealing using shading and borders as learned earlier. This table can serve as a visual guide for learners to understand balanced meal planning with nutritious foods. Creating interactive tables. Make learning fun by creating interactive tables where learners can fill in information. Example activity. Insert a table with 3 columns and 4 rows. In the header row, type food item, column nutrient, health benefit. Leave the cells in rows blank. Ask learners to fill in the table with their favorite healthy foods and research the nutrients and health benefits. This activity encourages learners to engage with the material actively and reinforces their understanding of healthy eating. In this module, you've learned how to insert and work with tables in Microsoft Word using the theme of foods that are good for you. Tables are powerful tools for organizing and presenting information clearly, making them ideal for lesson plans, nutritional charts, and classroom activities focused on healthy living. By integrating tables into your teaching materials, you can help learners visualize and comprehend information more effectively, fostering better learning outcomes. In Module 6, we'll explore how to use advanced features like working with styles and themes to make your documents even more dynamic and visually consistent.